To ensure the best experience with this feature, we suggest using Google Chrome. During a live online class, access the menu and click on Start Recording. Grant permission by clicking Allow so that Slingui can access the browser tab it's capturing. Note that you have the choice to include or exclude tab audio in the recording. The recording precisely captures the content visible on the Classroom tab. Feel free to share your screen, navigate to the whiteboard or the class notes. Everything you interact with on this tab will be captured in the recording. To stop the recording, simply access the menu again and click on Stop Recording. To manage your recordings, navigate to the Recordings section on the Classroom page. Newly made recordings will appear in the Pending Recordings list. Please note, recordings in this section aren't permanently saved and might be removed by your browser to free up space. Download or upload them promptly to prevent any data loss. Downloading a recording saves it to your computer. Uploading a recording to Slingui moves it to the Saved Recordings list. Saved recordings are automatically shared with the students invited to the class in which the recording was made. These recordings are permanently stored on Slingui. Here, you can manage access, edit titles, download to your computer, or permanently delete recordings. Students can access shared recordings from the Recordings section on their Classroom page.